A blink of an eye lasts only a few milliseconds. Most of the time we don't even notice it. It's so brief, it feels as if it never happened. But have you ever really thought about it? What is truly happening in this tiny moment? As you blink your eyelids, how many different events might be happening in your body, in the world, and in the universe? Perhaps your heart is still pumping blood. Hundreds of thousands of signals flood your brain. Perhaps a baby is being born in another corner of the world, or a human being is taking their final breath. Even with a single blink, lives can be altered. But how many of these moments do we truly become aware of? When you blink, your heart pumps a tiny bit of blood, not even a full drop into your veins. In that brief moment, your heart muscles contract, relax, and millions of cells keep getting oxygen. In your brain, electrical storms erupt, a single neuron fires, then thousands chain react, sending signals. Perhaps a memory you recall at that moment, a thought passing through your mind, or a feeling emerging within you, comes into existence thanks to a spark created by your brain in this short time. Have you ever thought about it? Even in the blink of an eye, the flow of your thoughts actually never stops. Your lungs are adding oxygen to your blood at the same time. Countless biochemical reactions are occurring in your cells. In just the blink of an eye, your body operates like a giant factory. But are we truly aware of this perfect functioning? When we look out, the world isn't standing still. In the blink of an eye, our planet moves about 150 meters around its own axis. So when you blink, you've actually moved hundreds of meters from your location, but you don't notice. Winds are blowing in the atmosphere. Waves are crashing on the shores. Millions of leaves are trembling. But what would you feel if you could visually perceive nature's movements in this tiny moment? Not just on Earth, but throughout the entire universe. Great changes are occurring. Light travels 90,000 kilometers in the blink of an eye. That's enough to circle the Earth several times. Nuclear fusion reactions continue in the sun's core. Each one releases immense energy, sowing the seeds of light that will reach us for billions of years. In the deepest reaches of the universe, new stars are born, while others are dying. Just imagine, when you blink, somewhere in space, a supernova might be exploding. In the world of humanity, countless events are taking place at the very same moment. In the time it takes to blink an eye, 4 babies are born into the world. As the world's population continues to grow, perhaps a life comes to an end somewhere else. On the internet, thousands of posts are shared every second. Millions of data streams flow. In financial markets, millions of dollars in transactions are processed. Stock values are constantly changing on the exchange. Perhaps in the very instant you blink your eyes, some people are gaining fortunes, while others are losing theirs. Can we truly comprehend or even imagine this immense societal dynamism occurring in such a fleeting moment? In the realm of the animal kingdom, speed operates on an entirely different scale altogether. A tiny fly, before you can even blink your eyes, manages to flap its wings a full 20 times. This duration is too long for its life. Perhaps at that moment it escapes death or catches its prey. A cheetah can increase its speed by 3 or 4 kilometers in just a few milliseconds. The moment that decides if it will catch its prey is for us, just a blink of an eye. So, when we compare the speed of animals to our slow perception of time, who do you think actually lives faster? Nature's power also makes itself felt in these moments. Electrical charges build up in the atmosphere. Millions of tiny particles are moving within a single cloud. Perhaps as you blink, a brand new lightning bolt is born in the sky. Perhaps in some corner of the world, a volcano is starting to erupt its lava. Without us even realizing it, nature continues in its own rhythm. The perception of time, however, is the most captivating part. For us, the blink of an eye might seem insignificant, but even in this tiny moment, the universe's colossal mechanisms continue to operate. Have you ever thought about it? If time can be divided into such small pieces for us, perhaps what we call life is actually made up of billions of blinks. Missing a moment, a smile, or an opportunity can sometimes be as short as the blink of an eye. So, while we are unaware of such tiny moments, can we truly know the value of the big moments in our lives? A single blink of an eye. A simple, ordinary, seemingly insignificant movement. But even in this tiny moment, your heart is still beating, your brain continues to think, the world is turning, the universe is expanding. So actually, no single moment is insignificant. Every second, even every split second, holds billions of events within it. Even if we are not aware of it, time flows, life flows, the universe flows on. So, what will you be missing in your very next blink? Perhaps a smile right there beside you, perhaps a baby born on the other side of the world, or perhaps a brand new star shining brightly in the sky. But perhaps the real question we should ask is this: are we truly prepared to fully experience these miraculous moments that vanish in the mere blink of an eye?